Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a lightweight AI emoji tool or plugin that exports PNG or SVG because you want crisp, reusable icons. Once chosen, write a tight prompt describing emotion, color palette, and accessories. This controls style and consistency. Make sure to set target size like 64px and request transparent background so emojis layer well. Start generating 1 or 2 test variants now. They'll reveal prompt issues early and save time when you batch create the full set. Once you have tests, refine prompts to tighten expression, lighting, and line weight. This is why iteration matters. Subtle wording changes change emotion. Generate 3 to 5 variants per base emoji and compare them side by side so you can pick a coherent family. Make sure to apply batch settings for palette, stroke width, and export format to maintain uniformity. If you plan distribution, name files consistently and create 2 sizes for different platforms while keeping the core look identical. You're ready to export. Produce PNG at 64px and 128px plus an SVG for scalability, because platforms vary. Then integrate into your chat tool or keyboard and test within real conversations to check legibility and emotional impact. If an emoji looks off, too small, clipped, or inconsistent, fix the canvas padding, tweak stroke weight, or regenerate that variant with more specific constraints. One key troubleshooting tip: if color shifts, embed sRGB profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.